Hey, welcome back. Been a long hiatus. Been meaning to get around to making this template for quite a while. Been working on a bunch of other projects. Got plenty of photos and videos and everything else I need to put together for other videos for the YouTube channel. But hey, here are the templates for the Whirly-gig. Here's the wing section. You need 4 of those. Everything's available in PDF. Send it to your printer, print it out. Whether or not your printer prints exact scale of 1 inch or not doesn't really matter, because everything as printed out should go together and will be similar in size. The main body is 3 pages. I trimmed the right hand edge of each page and drew an X. So if you trim off the right hand side, line up the marks to form an X as such. You should end up with a pretty good template that you can print out, lay on your wood, cut out, trace, etc., and make a good looking body. So either email me at Mr. Fix-It and Sons, or post your email in the comments and I'll send you the PDFs. Thanks. See you next time.